This is Kharsinde village, a beautiful landscape nestled in the lap of the mountains in Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. You will be shocked to hear the dark reality of this village. Many young men here are unmarried. The drought situation was so severe that no one wanted to marry their daughters here. After the positive results from the Jal Samriddhi project, which improved water availability and farming conditions, many young men like Akshay are now finally finding brides.
जल समृद्धीची कृपा आहे की आज मला माझे जीवन साथी भेटली.
Until 3 years ago, farming was not possible in Kharsinde village after the monsoon. Even borewells as deep as 600 to 800 feet would dry up. Many families, forced by circumstances, would lock their homes and migrate. The Jal Samriddhi project not only ensured easy water availability but also improved soil quality and introduced several innovations in farming.
जल समृद्धी प्रकल्पामुळे पाणी गावात आले. ओढरीपणी बटाटे पहिले उन्हाळ्यात बटाटे निघले व पहिल्या शेवटी एक बार बटाटे काढले, त्याबद्दल आमचे आभार आहे.
Barren fields are now transforming farmers' fortune through multi-farming. The best part is that Jal Samriddhi has provided them with solar dryers with other equipment. Right in their homes, they are also producing byproducts of drumsticks, adding value to their harvest.
आमच्या स्वतःच्या शेतीमध्ये काम करतो आणि स्वावलंबी बनलो आणि आज सगळे आपण खुश आहे.
Jal Samriddhi held meetings with the villagers of Kharsinde and Kansewadi studying their water needs and existing farming practices. Together with the villagers, abandoned and dilapidated ponds were restored and deepened. To capture rainwater flowing down from the mountains, continuous contoured trenches, loose boulder check dams, farm ponds, borewell gabions and deepening of streams were undertaken. As a result, dried up borewells and wells began to retain water again.
आणि आता मार्च महिना चालू आहे तरी पण त्याच्यात पाणी आहे. पुढे 1 महिना पाणी टिकेल अशी अपेक्षा आहे. जल समृद्धी प्रकल्प आल्यामुळे आर्थिक समृद्धी झाली.
Milk production has increased. To support livestock farming, women self-help groups are providing farmers with affordable animal feed and medicines.
पहिली माझी गाय 10 लिटर दूध देत होती. पशु आहार द्यायला लागल्यापासून 15 लिटर दूध द्यायला लागली.
Every household is now producing slurry and jeevmrut through biogas. This has also provided cooking gas to homes. The production of vermicompost has made the soil softer and more fertile.
गांडूळ खत आपण शेतात वापरल्यामुळे काय झालंय का माती भुसभुशीत झाली आणि पीक चांगली यायला लागली.
जल समृद्धी अंतर्गत आपण तो स्लरीचा प्लॅन्ट घेतलाय. त्यासाठी त्याचा फायदा आपल्याला ऑर्गॅनिक शेतीसाठी झाला आणि त्याचा प्रसार देखील आपण गावात करत आहोत.
गोबर गॅसमुळे माझ्या डोळ्याने नवीन प्रकाश मिळाला आहे आणि माझ्या शेतीला नवीन जीवन मिळाले आहे.
For the first time, the village is producing water-intensive crops like watermelon, tomato, cucumber, and other vegetables. With farm ponds, farmers are now able to cultivate a third crop even during the summer months.
आणि त्या शेततळ्यापासून मी बहुतेक टमाटे, भाजीपाला याच्यापासून मला कमीत कमी 1.5 ते 2 लाख रुपयापर्यंत मला फायदा झालेला आहे.
To empower women, they were connected to livelihood opportunities. Jal Samriddhi provided them with a peanut seed processing machine and a seeder for sowing. With the organization's efforts, poultry farming, goat rearing and sheep farming have made women economically and socially stronger.
सशक्त नारी सशक्त खरसिंदे.
या मेंढी पालन व्यवसायामुळे ना आम्हा महिलांमध्ये खूप आत्मविश्वास आला. आम्हाला वाटतं की आम्ही पण घर चालवू शकतो.
In Kharsinde and Kansewadi, 30 farm ponds, 30 LBS structures, 25 borewell gabions and the repair of ENB-CNB with 31,500 cubic meters of deepening have played a major role in water conservation. More than 100 structures have stored a total of 21.69 crore liters of water. increasing crop production from 20 to 30% to 50 to 60%. Water availability has improved from 6 to 7 months to 9 to 10 months, with over 20 successful replication models. Over the last 3 years in Kharsinde and Kansewadi, the number of cows, goats, poultry and sheep has increased significantly. Milk production has risen from 1980 liters to 3060 liters per day.
With Eaton India Foundation support, Jal Samruddhi has helped save crores of liters of water and improved water use practices on farm and in homes. Farmers and landless families have both benefited through stronger farm and non-farm livelihoods and rising household incomes. Together, we have touched more than 2,000 lives, and with Jal Samruddhi Phase 3, we are ready to take this impact to more drought-affected villages of Maharashtra.
On behalf of all these whose lives have been impacted, I would like to sincerely thank Eaton's team for their generous and committed support, and Krushi Vikas for their relentless ground level work. Jal Samruddhi has not just brought water to these villages, it has brought new life.
आवगे विटाई माझे